Oh, well, hello ladies. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to progressively move in your Kizomba. Alright, enjoy the video. So ladies, assuming that you already know how to dance your stationary as well as your side basic, you feel comfortable with your weight change, you feel comfortable with your timing as well, switching from a slow to quick, it's probably time for you to be a bit more progressive and move forward and backwards. Now, the movement alone is not particularly difficult. However, you just need to be aware of when to change weight, when to tap, and how to go to that progressive movement. And this is exactly what the video will be about. The first thing that I'm going to teach you is the actual step. Typically the right foot will be free for you and you can move either forward, either backwards. I'm going to start with the back step. Once again, the right foot is free and I'm going to go 1, 2, tap, and then go forward. 1, 2, tap. Okay? From a different angle, my right foot is free and this time I'm going to start forward. 1, 2, tap, and I'm going to move backwards. 1, 2, tap. Okay? Now, if I would like to dance with every single beat of the music weight changing, that means that I'm dancing relatively quick, and this is how it works. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I would like to slow down my dancing, that means when I place the feet together or when I'm doing my tap, either forward, either backwards, significantly slowing down, spending a bit more time creating some sort of either body roll, either motion around my partner before I move to the other direction. Right foot free, and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, and then go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going forward, right? Both are correct as long as you feel comfortable. Now, the next thing, when do we change to progressive? Well, technically speaking, the gentleman is the one who is going to give you that signal, that indication that the changes are happening. When those are happening, typically you will feel a little bit of push or pull, being forward or backwards. Now, I'm going to create a small combination for you. Hopefully this will give you a better idea of how the actual change works. I'm going to start with a stationary basic, then I'm going to go to the side basic, and from there I'll move backwards. So, ladies, right foot free for your stationary basic. Quick, 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 and now the slows. Quick, quick, slow it, quick, quick, slow it. Here's my right foot being free. I'm gonna go to the right and I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my right foot free. Why don't I move backwards? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's pretty much how the actual transition will be happening in the normal circumstances. So I'll do it once again. Actually, let me do it from a different angle. My right foot is free and I'm starting with the 4 quicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 2 basics adding the slow. 1, 2, slow it down on the right knee. 1, 2, slow it down on the left knee, and now you have the right foot free going to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's your right foot free. You'll be moving backwards. 1, 2, tap, and 1, 2, tap. Obviously, your right foot is free. You may spend a little bit of stationary time. That's truly entirely up to the guy. Now let's see if we can dance the combination with some music. All right, ladies, so first I'm just checking my microphone is working. Ladies, first I'm gonna start with my back turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, 3 backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's do it once again. Facing each other, right foot free, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, slow it down. 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and Alright ladies, and this is how we dance the Kizomba progressive step, moving forward and backwards. I hope the video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. There's a little bell close by the subscribe button. If you hit it, then every time I have a dance video out, you'll be able to see it immediately. Alright, see you in the next video.